Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to bring several updates and improvements over its predecessor. Here are some key highlights based on the latest news. Design and display. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 might feature an even larger cover display than the Flip 5, with industry analysts suggesting it could be considerably bigger. The main foldable display might also be more resilient, with Samsung possibly introducing a new technology called IronFlex for added durability. Camera. There are rumors that the main camera on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 could be upgraded to a 50-megapixel sensor, replacing the 12-megapixel sensor used in previous models. This would be a significant improvement in the camera department. Battery. The battery capacity of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 might see a slight increase from the 3,700 mAh battery found in the Flip 5. Hardware. It is expected that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will come with the latest Snapdragon processor, ensuring top-notch performance and efficiency. Software. The device will likely run on One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, packed with Galaxy AI features for a smarter user experience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the foldable smartphone market. With potential improvements in design, display, and camera, it's definitely a device to watch out for. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more tech insights and reviews. See you in the next one.
This is a